Moving on now to the other big story we're covering. Accused killer Luigi Mangione back in court for a second day as his lawyers argue some of the evidence against him should be thrown out before trial. Mangione faces multiple charges in the murder of UnitedHealthcare CEO Brian Thompson. Natalie Duddridge is live outside the courthouse in Lower Manhattan. Natalie?
Well, Jessica, that's right. While we are here outside Manhattan Criminal Court, my colleague Alice Gaynor has been taking notes, sending us updates minute by minute on the proceedings underway on this day 2 of the hearing. Now, court began just before 10 o'clock this morning. There is a brief recess underway right now, but yesterday we heard from 5 witnesses. Today, several more are expected. The key here, the judge is hearing arguments from prosecutors and the defense over what evidence should be allowed at trial. Today's first witness, the 6th witness overall, Altoona police officer Joseph Detweiler, testified he responded to the McDonald's after that 911 call came in from a manager about a man resembling the New York City shooter. Officer Detweiler said he didn't use lights or sirens because he really didn't think this would actually be him, adding his lieutenant even joked, "If you get the NYC shooter, I'll buy you a hoagie." Up next, jurors saw video body cam footage showing officers approaching a man inside the McDonald's. Officer Detweiler said, "I knew it was him immediately from the photos he had seen." In the body cam video, officers asked for ID and testified that the name on it read Mark Rosario of New Jersey. He said the man seemed nervous and that the officers, frisked him for their own safety but found nothing on him. Now, all the while, that body cam video shows Mangione eating hash browns and a steak sandwich. Officer Detweiler says he tried to keep things calm, telling him they were just confirming his ID while really they were waiting for backup. Now, when that backup arrived, his lieutenant and other officers, he says he then moved the suspect's backpack away, testifying he feared there could be a gun inside. Now, the defense has argued Altoona police searched Mangione's backpack illegally and never read him his Miranda rights. At 11:30 today, the court took a brief recess. Mangione was then led out of the courtroom in handcuffs, his hands behind his back. He has had his head down. This hearing expected to continue several more days, possibly through Monday, with more than 24 witnesses expected. All of this before the judge rules on what evidence can be used at trial. Now, back out here outside of the court, yesterday we saw some tents set up. There were some Mangione supporters out here wearing green, but today so far it seems that the rain has kept most of them away. Now, that's the latest here from Lower Manhattan. Alice Gaynor will have a full report coming up tonight at 5 and 6 p.m. I'm Natalie Duddridge in Lower Manhattan, CBS News, New York.
All right, Natalie, thank you. And do stay with CBS News New York as we continue to cover the very latest in the Luigi Mangione case. Alice's reports begin tonight at 5.